Tell the donors them, this is for the donors them now. Say one team.
Dream team.
Alright, I want to sound healthy for the donors. One more time for the donors. Yeah, man, one more time for the donors again. So say dream team.
One team.
One team.
Dream team.
The boy donors I feel a love, the place I vibrate. You see me I say? Love it, man. And Barja $15,000 from Joseph from the UK.
Joseph from the UK, enough love and enough respect, man. The Father continue to bless us. I'm glad for this liquor donation and thing. Enough love.
Yeah.
Me don't know what them a pre about. A Kino, can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them not like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose my faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry.
So we have a drink. Today we have a drink from Stacey from the UK.
Yeah.
I say Brahma for all the whites, as usual. Stacey from the UK. Painter, you have anything to say to Stacey?
Stacey from the UK, big up yourself and lots of love, you know. You see, I just one team, dream team, I just go on to the work, same way.
Yeah.
See, just big up yourself, you see me?
See there, alright then.
Right,
Painter.
me endorse with the boss saying the partner in crime,
Yeah.
white and the red,
Yeah.
nature liquor. We work with the nature part time. So as him say, me endorse when say we not take off and not put on.
Yeah.
Stacey, big up yourself.
Sure.
One dream, one team, one aim, one destiny. Straight love.
Straight love.
Yeah.
Yeah. So there, so we have some new gears as well too, to the team. So we're gonna hand out the gears them. And we're gonna go a new destination. We have the future thing I'm gonna talk about and cover there. Eh?
Over the garden.
Sure.
Yeah, fun.
Yeah, so we have the new kicks them for the team. So, Jella. Just fling them on.
Smart.
Where am I?
Where am I now? This damn sit down genius. You know, go one thing, game.
Oh, that's actually Baby, outside. Medium. Yeah, small.
Blessed enough.
Yeah.
Blue shirt for the team.
My own. The blue one, the wash out. The one, the wash out.
white and red. Okay, so.
Yeah, Baja.
Yeah. New headquarters, you know?
New headquarters. So them say,
Base, you know?
so them say, as well as say,
Yeah.
people them say we need an office.
Which is
And
right.
then look thing, they don't know we have work at the same way.
Yeah.
So at least we get a spot.
Yeah.
But them say we can build an office because this name factory and foundation building this.
Right.
So yeah, so at the spot where you say it's ideal
Yeah, ideal for the thing, you know?
to build the office for the future.
Yeah, yeah.
So that's why we kind of gather here, so because we give the team some donations, so we gather here so to the way
Yeah.
at least the public and the
Can see
donors
what
them can see. So know say for the future,
Yeah.
the dream team office I got the right in here so.
Yeah.
So which way you say that line?
Yeah,
so?
yeah. Well, I highlight everybody.
Yeah, man, come.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Let you know, say.
One there.
Yeah. Yeah, that's part of everything.
Yeah.
So as I said, this will be the location of the Dream Team office, which is the right location. If you, as you can see, the location with the area, when the visitors them come, they meet somewhere where them can relax, comfortable and feel good at the same time. And on the inside, you have business going on. We have a bar inside.
Club,
And you can see the almond tree.
I have car wash.
We have car wash.
Also inside.
Not a business they have established inside the place later on.
Yeah.
But as you can see, the almond trees for relaxation.
Yeah.
Place where you can sit, cool out, have a drink, and make everything possible. So this is the right location. So you know, say, foundation for all of this soon break.
Yeah.
That's we can break foundation for build the office. So you guys and the donors and the good people them up top there.
Yeah.
We start the journey with us and doing the good work and all of these things. Without you all people, all of this wouldn't be possible.
Yeah.
So in order when all the coffee and everything settle down and you guys come down, you have a comfortable place where you can sit, relax, have a drink
Yeah.
and cool out at the
And
same
cool out at
time
the
and
same
feel
time.
welcome.
Yeah.
So this is it, you know, the Dream
Yeah.
Team spot.
Alright,
So this is where the office all go. So input of
Yeah.
Yeah.
So this is Robert,
Yeah.
you know, aka Grabbers.
Yeah.
No, born and grow safe and grow up
Yeah.
in the place, and
Yeah.
him and the man where decide say him clean up the place and set it up how it is now. We have to remember bar and everything.
Right.
You see me? So even as we said, the whole our grew up
Yeah.
and we are speak and the man say, yo, it's right because with the positiveness we have push in the place, so which is that be the best idea.
Yeah.
We can go on in there, so because you don't know for the future.
Yeah.
You want to enhance it more so we can move forward.
Yeah, yeah.
So Grabbers they are foundation youth.
Yeah.
Because one time I go start this thing, I call him and I call baby and that stuff. But
Yeah.
we never move to it straight away.
Sure.
So this is Robert when you hear me talk about and building up on the thing. As me I say, foundation youth in the place. So we have to give him a round of applause.
Yeah,
for
man.
that stuff. Isn't it?
Like you can say, you know, with all of that said and them thing there, you know, from first day I come in and I observe the positive people there. As I said, when I come in at the place and say the whole entire area from 1st Street to 5th Street, 7th Street, the most productive street when I say, and with potential and these things is 3rd Street. You might want to youth them when I always say, I move around with the younger juvenile them.
Yeah.
But from day one back then, and them thing that will bring the youths them together with positiveness. Football to keep the unity and push them in the right direction.
Yeah.
Always see my daughter and I put out that energy there. So with that energy and a combination right now, film business that in there so.
Yeah.
And them say decide to say I give me the spot right here so. So energy, good energy come together, it can get better.
Yeah, yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
So we love the endorsement and them thing there. And with film energy and our energy, this thing can get better and move forward.
Yeah,
so
most
as I
def-
say, enough respect.
Yeah.
No say boy, I'm really consider us.
Yeah.
For the work we are doing them thing there. And as a youth where I look towards the future.
Yeah.
And I bring up the youth them. We can't do nothing more than endorse film things and say boy, enough strength and enough power.
Yeah, because I'm also put towards an idea.
Yeah.
When I try so alright, I love to see the whole place paint up.
Yeah.
Especially the wall them.
Yeah.
So you know say I don't want to start from 3rd Street, because it's what the wall them looking at.
Yeah.
Disgrace.
The floor,
Yeah, so right now that nice we can get some press it blue and white.
Yeah, man, I know I'm the Dream Team
Peace.
color.
Dream
Yeah,
team
man,
color.
yeah, man,
Peace.
yeah, man.
Team color,
Yeah,
man.
man.
So
Yes.
yeah.
Yeah, we're on the the wall them way misplaced and thing and broke down and thing. But like, see we can put them there in place, get back the number them, and things. So you don't know from visitor enter the community from them see them can see something. Can see positive movements and and things. Cause as I say, I'm tell you, from one Kino go so and present
it to the public.
Present it to the public. And I'm say, alright, watch out. This way I do positive movements. And if him come up on me the right as I do my business. And don't know normal time people are dealing with business. I'm gonna go and do film part where him know say yo. But film and it now go hurt film business. But when time the work Una put in, me know say I do straight positive going forward. So I just show the love there. Because the love Una show the community. You probably not don't do that for me. But I mean, of course, I represent the whole community.
Man.
I represent the community. I know that, man. I want family, man.
One family, man.
And I love.
Man. So all time, man.
Keep the love unite.
Love. Love. It conquer all.
Make sure you do it with love.
Love
do it with love. It afterward. Hear that? Not do it with no ratings. Not do it with no like. Do it with love.
Straight.
Understand? If I do it with love.
Afterward, man. You see me and say, yeah, man. Afterward, man. Really sharp, man. And that is the way forward. So you know, sooner or later, we're going to reach out to the donors them. So once we can get some paint. How much bucket of paint they feel like we could have need for start on 3rd Street?
Alright, it's not have to start on 3rd Street. We don't need at least 5 gallons.
Each? 5 white, 5 blue? You understand? So that's going to be a great look, you know, so well, the whole wall them paint up and even...
When we say 5 gallons, 10 gallons. 5 gallons.
Each, so 5 white and 5 blue.
5,
I want to say, Baja. Every man has done paint on the
Which is right.
When I think it's Baja. Paint it over. You have to get it straight, you know. You have to get it straight, you know. True, one time you say 3rd Street. Why we have to really start with 3rd Street? If we never know with TrenchTown, 3rd Street at the same time. You never know. Just because you come from 3rd Street, but 3rd Street at the same time. And the thing is, the dream team base at 3rd Street. So we have to start progress from there. We know so move to other streets. 3rd Street alone.
So we are starting from TrenchTown.
What we can't deal with 5 Street one
street. So that's why it's going to start from the base, which is 3rd Street.
You have to make it known to, you know. You see people them on the street, when the work they are put out, them for know say watch out, who never come put in that street.
Be a part of the team.
You understand?
Dream team, I do feel like a dream team.
So why you get other people in you understand? Own good to, you know.
Of course.
You get me?
For them own good.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Well said and done. You see me? I really appreciate that. So right, we are moving forward. I will say one team.
Dream team.
Dream team.
One team.
Wait, that one that was sound too connect. So I will say dream team.
One team.
One team.
Dream team.
You see, I like that combination there. You see me, they harmonize and they made a thing in that one. You see me? So that sound like we're well passionate about this thing. You hear the love behind it. You can hear the love behind it. You see me? I say, the love there. I'm like that. You see me? So I see me, I say,
Whole heap of great things.
Whole heap of great things, and it's only the start. Because right now we are make moves. You see me, and the way of them are carry on. So it only can get bigger and better from here. With the love we are showing, the positivity, it's the only way forward. Because Marvin always saying love conquer everything. So no matter the negative, the love are going to overthrow that. You see me? Now we have to continue, stick as this unity and this band, set a prime example for the younger generation. Like you see, you have a Lem boy there, you have the younger generation going there. So we have to be the prime example, not just on camera, off camera, the same thing. Because once we have on this shirt, we are represent. You see me? So it's meaning. We are represent, you understand? Because once somebody see a night, they know already where them see pan camera. You see me? So off camera are the same behavior, off here go on same way. You You see me, I say the same love, everything, got the people that look forward for we as a prime example. Because we not promote negative, I show positivity. You see me, and anybody who do the positivity, they're more than welcome. You see me, I say, because we are dealing with. So we say, Dream Team!
One team!
One team!
Dream team!
Alright, we're going to sign card, you know what I say?
Every time we have to big up the Almighty, you know.
Yeah.
We not left him out of it, you know.
Donuts from day one.
Keep the devil away.
Yeah, man, and the donuts them, man.
Donuts them.
Hold on, that's one of the next thing. When we respect the Dream Team. The man them constantly able to say the donuts them because they make it possible to
Of course.
Yeah, some people we never been to TrenchTown yet. I just see the thing. I just decide say yo them can do all the things. No matter how small it is, man.
Yeah.
All of it's ice in me. No matter how small it is.
Grateful, man. So the donuts them, man, give them a hard round of applause, man. The donuts, man. Donuts all over. Yeah, man. That's for the donuts them, as I was saying, man. We don't know if we thank you, know. I don't know if we award, you know. You see me? It's out of this universe. You see me? But we want to do for the people in the inner city right now, man. It's unbelievable, man. It's a joy, you know. So we have to give thanks to the Almighty.
We know the blessing and the love we have. Look at the people that want soon and know, but we understand the situation.
In time, you know.
Because we know the struggle, you know. It don't be anything nice, you know. I know the sweat and tears we want to go through to make it happen.
Yeah,
we
true.
can consider us. Send $1 down account with us. We appreciate it.
Of course, man. More than appreciate it, man. Isn't it? Yeah, man. So give thanks. As I may say.
Alone give it joy.
Yeah. I love alone, man.
Alone. Give it joy.
Can you see the inspector pass through today and say, yo, you have to big you up there, she have to big you up for where I do. You understand because she see it on TV and she like that. You understand? Positiveness. So as I say, I have some donation Christmas package for the man from the donors them as well because we've been putting a lot of work. You see me? So we have to donors them and send an early Christmas package. I know so Christmas coming, everybody have a responsibility for deal with. So you know so we're gonna deal with that right about now. You understand? So we say Dream Team.
One team.
Tell the donors them, this is for the donors them now. We say one team.
Dream team.
Alright, I want to sound healthy for the donors. Alright, one more time for the donors. Yeah, man, one more time for the donors again. So we say Dream Team.
One team.
One team.
Dream team.
The boy donors I feel I love the place I vibrate. You see me I say? Love it, man. Anthem, man. Whoa, chef. Whoa. We have Joseph from the UK. $10,000 from Joseph from the UK.
I'm Joseph from the UK, you know. Only for respecting the Joseph from the UK, yeah? Yeah, man.
Only for respect. Yeah.
Yeah, man.
And we have Baja from Inbuilder. We have Baja $15,000 from Joseph from the UK.
Joseph from the UK, enough love and enough respect, man. The Father continue to bless us. I'm glad for this little donation and thing. Enough love.
Yeah.
$15.
15,000. So we have 5,000 each to the member. Each Dream Team members them in the team.
Round of applause, man.
Yeah. So this is from Joseph from the UK.
Big up the UK.
Yeah.
Big up the UK.
So we have Hero. Come a step first, so we have Jella. Alright, so Carl here. So we have Joseph from the UK.
Joseph from the UK. Big up the UK. Enough respect.
Jella, 5,000 of Joseph from the UK.
Joseph from the UK, enough respect and love.
Yeah. Baby, Joseph from the UK.
From the UK. Thank you very much. Enough respect and love. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year and come.
And it's from South, you know, Hero, Stratham, you know, it's from Stratham, UK.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, please.
Big up Joseph, yeah?
Yeah, from Stratham, UK. So, liquor, 5,000 from Joseph from
Big
the
up, you know, Joseph, and many blessings and many thanks.
Yeah. Marvin, come on, step forward. Joseph from Stratham, UK.
Joseph from Stratham, UK. Blessed love. Give thanks.
Yeah. We have Ali. Step forward from Joseph from the UK.
Joseph from the UK. More blessings, you know. You see me, I say, may your food basket never empty. The Psalms are there keep the devil away.
Alright. Joe, come on.
Give thanks and praise, Mr. Joseph. Thank you very much for your grace.
Yeah. Talpi. I'm going to step forward from one of the own again. So you have Talpi.
Respect Joseph from the UK, from Chatham. Holy for love and blessed,
Yeah.
One love.
So we have Painter.
Joseph. And what again?
From the UK.
From the UK. Big up yourself. One love.
Yeah.
Yeah, my general. Blessed.
Yeah. You have Catman.
Yes, Joseph from the UK.
Yeah.
Heart of love. One take.
Yeah.
Big up again.
Yeah. Lady. 5,000 Joseph from the UK.
Joseph from the UK, more love, thanks,
Yeah. Where me? 5,000 Joseph from Stratton, UK.
Thanks, Joseph. Blessings, protection. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year.
Yeah. Lem. From Joseph from the UK.
Jaja. First of all, hold on. Give thanks to the dream team,
Yeah.
What we say? Happy New Year, Merry Christmas, and Merry Christmas. Alright. Joseph from the UK, thanks, Father God bless them,
Yeah.
Guide and protect all donors,
Yeah, yeah.
Give thanks to it and Felicia, Mikey. All donors just big up,
Yeah.
Thanks it. One take.
Dream team. So as we say, Kedan not there yet. So we have put on Kedan one for when he is here. So we have another donation from the Overcomers. We know the Overcomers where they put on the treat as well for the kids them. So we're going to give Overcomers a round of applause. Thanks for the kids treat. So we have Baja.
The kids them love
We have $7,000 for Baja. Dilla. From the Overcomers.
Enough love, Overcomer. Many thanks and Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
Welcome.
All the donors then. Just a thought I count,
Yeah.
You may not say not this time, but you still remember the little way you're doing. Enough love,
Yeah.
May Father God guide and protect you through Christmas going into the new year.
Yeah. Baja, count it, let them see.
$7.
Enough
love.
Yeah. We have Marvin Morgan. $6,000 from the Overcomers.
Overcomer. Blessed love, Give thanks to this, for the Christmas, Happy New Year and Merry Christmas.
Yeah.
Still make sure you keep safe.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. Blessed.
Blessed Lord. So we have 4,000 each for the members them in the dream team. So this is 4,000 each from the Overcomers. So baby, come. So thank you, Overcomers.
Thank you, Overcomers. Have a Happy New Year.
Yeah.
And a Merry Christmas.
So yeah, so that's Overcomers from the US. Thank you very much. Yeah, Liquor, come. So this is the Overcomers from the US, $4,000.
Thank you, Overcomers. And many blessings and many thanks. I hope you have a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year when you come.
Yeah. Welcome.
Overcomers.
Yeah.
More blessing and more love.
Yeah. Jella, from us from the Overcomers.
Holy for blessing, Overcomers. And holy for love, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
When it comes.
Thanks when it comes.
Come, Carl. From the Overcomers.
Overcomers. Only for respect and enough love, I wish you a Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year when it comes.
Yeah. Ali.
Overcomers. Kids them love one, Yeah, that cause more blessing to you,
Yeah.
Bless up.
Painter. From the Overcomers.
Overcomer. Big up and bless, Enough love and respect, One team,
Yeah. So from the Overcomers. Yeah.
Enough blessings in the Overcomers. One love.
Yeah. We'll step forward. Boy. 4,000 from the Overcomers.
Overcomers. My holy for love, Respect, yeah.
Where me? Come in. From the Overcomers.
Blessed love and thanks.
Give thanks every time, protection. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year come Overcomers.
Joe, come true.
Yes, the brothers and sisters from Overcome. Thank you very much. Love and respect.
Yeah. Come true, lady.
Overcome. Thanks, you know. God bless you and God bless your family. Merry Christmas.
Come on, Talpi.
Whoa. Beautiful.
From the Overcomers.
Overcomers. Straight love, you know.
Love the ice cream.
Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to the whole world.
Yeah.
The Overcomers, feeding them love the ice cream.
From the Overcomers.
God bless Overcome and the donor them on the board, you know.
Yeah.
Thanks to this, you know.
Alright.
Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Faith and Felicia. Jesus Christ.
As I say, Kedan is not here. The Kedan donation is put down for never. Yeah, right. So we also have another donation as well for the team. Tutu. Born and grew on 2nd Street.
Tutu.
Yeah. We live in New York. And so most of the know the name of Tutu. Yeah, so big up Tutu for the donation towards the dream team. So $3,000 each from Tutu, born and grew in a 2nd Street. We live in New York, you know. So come, $3,000.
Yo, then she, you remember, she carry one big shoes to go. Yeah man, Tutu, bro, so Tutu, much love.
Liquor from Tutu.
Tutu, many blessings and many thanks to your family and all of the donors then. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
Yeah. Come sure.
Tutu, blessing love, you know. Give thanks, you know. I do a lot, you know, Tutu.
Yeah.
Father God bless you, you know. Bless you.
Baby, from Tutu, $3,000.
Big up yourself, Auntie Christine and Prim. Big up on yourself. Thanks to the donation.
Yeah, come Carl.
Enough love and enough respect. Honor.
Yeah. Come Jella. Tutu.
Tutu, my Tutu. Pinky, stay so. Big up yourself, you know, Tutu. And enough love and respect. You see me? Straight. Merry Christmas when it comes, Tutu and Pinky, and Happy New Year.
Yeah. Hero from Tutu.
Thank you. May God keep you. Yeah? More blessing and more love.
Yeah.
Yes, Tutu.
Yeah.
Big up yourself in a Tutu. One love. JT.
One team.
Come in, who come out here? Oh, from Tutu.
All by respect in a Tutu. Yeah.
Yeah. All working Baja. From Tutu.
Enough love, Tutu.
Yeah.
Appreciate. Next thing is, big up my sister to it.
Yeah.
Nigga, Felicia, Piccolo, Zidane. Enough love. One love.
And my daughter, Diamond.
Diamond.
Oh. Come and roll through. Joe.
Respect. Tutu. Thank you as one of the donors.
Yeah. Painter, 3,000 from
Tutu.
Tutu.
Big up yourself, you know. Don't know, you know. One love, you know.
Yeah.
Respect.
Light Parks from
Yeah,
Tutu.
Tutu, thanks, you know. More love, you know. TrenchTown, Rima, we love you.
Genie boy. Where me? From Tutu.
Blessed love. Merry Christmas and
Yeah. Talpi. 3,000 from Tutu.
Tutu, big up yourself, you know.
Yeah.
TrenchTown, I hear that.
Yeah. Diamond. Them Diamond.
Tutu and Pinky and the whole family give thanks to this, you know.
Yeah.
Happy New Year and Merry Christmas, you know. God make everything possible, you know.
Yeah.
And ever God, one day I saw I do that dream thing, it's a worse, but Kino come do the better. One team.
Dream team.
Felicia and three.
Team.
One team.
Dream team.
One team.
Alright, so Kedan is not here.
Dada.
So you know, so Kedan was put down when he arrived. So we have also have one more donation for the team. There's a Christmas come early phone, you know. Very early, because we put it a whole heap of work, you know, so the hard work. Yeah. Donation as well too. From the Quiet.
Quiet.
Yeah. From USA. Quiet from USA. We have Baja. From the quiet.
Quiet.
$20,000.
Quiet.
Listen. It gives me great joy. You know, when you're doing something good. For the upliftment of others. And people outside can see it and appreciate it. It only encourages us to do more.
And more.
And more. And more. And trust me, the love is great. Why else? Enough love.
Enough love.
Dream team.
One team.
Kino.
One team.
I know you all. God bless you.
Good life.
Good life. So we have Ali. From the quiet. She said Ali will help out his mom. So $20,000 for Ali from the quiet.
Much love from the choir.
Quiet. Yeah.
May your food basket never empty, you know. Psalms a day keep the devil away. More blessings.
More blessings.
Straight.
So we have Carl, $12,500 from the quiet.
Quiet. Enough respect and enough love, you know. Honor, you know. Yeah, man. I will give thanks for this, isn't it? Yeah. Wish you a Merry Christmas, a prosperous New Year when it comes.
Yeah. So we also have Talpi from the quiet. You know, because the people them admire me, you know. They always them want to teach, you see me I say. So $12,500 from the quiet.
Respect, beautiful love. You hear that? Straight. Sexy bear, one day.
So for each member in the team now from the quiet, we'll get $10,000 from the quiet. So baby, step forward now. $10,000 from the quiet.
Have a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
Thank you from the quiet.
So Marvin, come, 10,000 from the quiet.
Quiet. Blessed love, you know. Blessed love. I want love, you know. We love the world, you know, and I want team, you know.
Dream team.
You see, bless you.
Alright. So come liquor. 10,000 from the quiet.
Many blessings in the quiet. I thought about keep the same way to say the blessing.
Yeah. Come on, Jella. From the quiet.
Quiet. Thank you very much. Enough respect. The basket never empty. And Merry Christmas to you and your family and a Happy New Year when it comes.
Hero. Come from the quiet, $10,000.
Big up to the choir. Yeah, my Christmas come true.
Wow, chef. From the quiet, $10,000.
Said we from the choir.
Choir.
I said twice, you know.
Choir
from the US. So, Carl, who no come through yet? Coxman, come through. $10,000.
From the choir.
From the quiet.
From the quiet.
Keep in the mouth quiet.
Merry Christmas. Prosperity New Year.
Have a painter. $10,000 from the quiet.
Big from the quiet. Big up yourself, you know. Enough love and respect, you know. Make feed food basket never empty.
Lady, 10,000 from the quiet.
From the quiet, more love and more thanks, you know. Bless up, you know. Bless up all I do, and then Merry Christmas.
Joe.
Joy and grace to my brothers and sisters. Quiet.
In
the Lord's name. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Remy. Also 10,000 from the quiet.
Blessed love and thanks. Quiet. Merry Christmas. Happy New Year when it comes. Protection.
Lem Diamond.
Yeah, man. Father God bless all I do on them on the board. You know, all who not come. You know,
10,000 from the
choir, man. You know, holy love, man. Kino. One thing.
Tell them say Kedan is not here. So female will be put down whenever I'm arrive. So we're gonna say we'll give the donors them a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year when it comes. So we are saying it in our one. You see me I say? So we're gonna say one team first, Dream Team, and then Walla will say yo Merry Christmas and Happy New Year when it come, yeah? So we say Dream Team.
One team.
One team.
Dream team.
I'm gonna tell the donors them America too.
Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
So 1, 2.
Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
Alright, well done. Well done. Alright. So we have IT and Fancy Cat. Where them also do a cookout. Where them say part proceedings with the funding will go towards a project that we're doing in the community. So in the community. So we have to give thanks to IT and Fancy Cat for that. Yeah. So after 2, you all have to say yo $9.99. $9.99! Yeah. $9.99!
Next thing we want to say, glad for the exposure of the Gleaner Company.
Yeah.
Also, we want to say TVJ, Morning Time, Empress Golden, enough love and appreciation.
And big up Jason Cross from the Gleaner. Jason Cross himself. Jason Cross.
Jason Cross from the Gleaner.
Straight. Dream Team. One team. Dream Team.
One team.
Oh, real team.
Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no.
Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.